All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's commonly confused words. So bow and bow. So bow, the main branch of a tree. So let's have a look. Let's have a look. Here we are. Here we are. Yeah, the main branch of a tree along here. That's whole, extending out where all the leaves and branches come from, the main bow. And here's the trunk. This is a big bow. Let's have a look. Ah, perfect. Here we are. Ah, okay. All right. I need that. Okay. Here we are. Okay, right. Well, if this is this trunk, so here's the main bow where all the branches come off. Why that's so strange. Here we are. Oh, okay. All right. Okay. Yeah, there we are. So if this is the trunk, it's this part here where all the branches come off. Yeah. These bows will grow in all sorts of directions. But a bow, however, is a long piece of wood with a string attached used to fire arrows. Yes. They are trained to use bows. Yeah, definitely. Bows are an old weapon. Yep. Very good. Bows were the first weapon of mass destruction. Bows have been used for thousands of years. Some bows are made with wood and others with ivory. How cool is that? Yeah, I have not used a bow in a long time. Yeah, years. Years. It is always fun to fire a bow. Yeah. 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 How cool is that, language explorers? So bow. Yeah. How cool is that? And the bow, the main branch of a tree. Yeah. So, can you use bow and bow in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.